I'm so excited. It's like Christmas on the homestead. I got some plants to unbox. So let's get to it. I don't remember what's in there. I just remember that it was 60% off. Fried egg tree. Oncoba spinosa. I remember this one. It has big flowers that look like fried eggs. I really like the way they pack. These plants are not going anywhere. It's a mystery plant. We'll figure this out. Yellow Buttercup, Turnera ulmifolia Sundrop, rare, fragrant, and fruiting plant. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I think it's Akee. It's an Akee tree. Blighia sapida. Here's a Canistel Sapote. Pouteria campechiana. I'm sure I'm butchering that. It's another yellow buttercup. Oh, this one even has a flower on it already. And this is the same as the mystery plant before. So what is it? Oh, wait a minute. No, it isn't. Is it? No, I don't think so. I'll get back to that mystery plant. This is a blackberry jam fruit. Put a little bit of the soil on the bottom. Try not to disturb the roots too much, but it's already kind of late. I'll get a little bit of the mulch. Done. Now just repeat that process. That was fantastic. Unboxing plants is one of my favorite things to do. I'm not sure where these guys are going yet. I have some ideas. Stay tuned for a future video when I plant these guys.